right now on Jamaica News Page tonight. Outrage in Granville, St. James after a woman was shot and killed by police. We have extensive coverage, including reactions from residents on the scene.
We Andrew Wellness there. Andrew Wellness, put up a Sunday dinner and come. Come like scandal back. Come no.
Comments from Member of Parliament Marlene Malahoo Ford.
What has happened today is not right. Not right.
And the latest update from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for joining us, Richard Brown. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with developing news out of St. James, where outrage is intensifying following the fatal police shooting of a woman on Sunday. The incident was caught on CCTV footage. Now, while we have removed any graphic content from the CCTV footage to comply with YouTube's community guidelines, the video may still be tough to watch for some viewers. The woman has been identified as Latoya Bulgin, otherwise called Buju. Residents say Miss Bulgin was on her way to a protest in downtown Montego Bay following the death of 17-year-old TJ Edwards, who was allegedly shot and killed by a member of the security forces last Sunday on Mother's Day. This is video following that incident.
You just turned 17. You they walk with the road, they say wall up in and you wall up in and you would have one little scheme mass. A little boy, you understand? A little boy not have nothing for him when they're searching. They still kill a little boy.
Back at the scene of today's incident.
My ears are related to a young man with me shoot last week Sunday. And the people are saying that she took up the spent shells and the police wanted them. Allegedly, I am not sure. That is what people are saying.
Nothing pass through ya. We now hold the people and ransom miss at the road have to lock up. Police they come and they kill people, so all you them our woman them kill a while ago, you know. The woman sit down in her vehicle now, nothing in her hand, you know. What them I gonna say now? She have gun pan her? What them I gonna say now? The woman don't do nothing. The woman sit down in her jeep and shot him in front. Everybody a while ago. Everybody a while ago. You know, see a peace march, people are going for the you and them kill on the Saturday. And them the right, that's everybody gather and left figure at the peace march. And the man come shot the girl in at the jeep. Right, that's all. In front everybody. In front everybody. We Andrew Wellness there. Andrew Wellness, put up a Sunday dinner and come. Come like scandal back. Come no. We not tag arrest Chang in this right now. Come.
While speaking with residents, Member of Parliament for St. James at West Central, Marlene Malahoo Ford, says the incident, quote, is not right.
Not right. And I know that the community is angry, grieving, and searching for answers. The good thing is that the investigation is being assisted by camera footage. and the investigation has proceeded swiftly. I want to ask you to stay on the right side of the law. I don't want any response in the community to result in a suppression of anything. So I know that you are angry. Be angry, but sin not. Be assured that answers will come in this case. Because what has happened today is not right. Not right. So, difficult as it might be, I'm asking you to keep the peace and allow me to make the representation on your behalf. And there is no division along party lines in dealing with this matter. So we don't have to bring partisan politics in it. But you can be assured that the answers will come in this case.
Swiftly.
Right? So, beg you, go home if you can. Look out for each other. I just don't want anything that will result in any security measure that has to be imposed in this space.
Right.
And then it becomes worse. There are a lot of young children in this space, a lot of mothers and fathers. Beg you, go home. Let the law take its course. And I hear you, I understand the distrust, I understand the situation, but we're gonna have to let the law take its course. I'm coming back tomorrow. All right?
Meanwhile, the Jamaica Constabulary Force says it is deeply concerned about the circumstances surrounding the shooting. The JCF says the matter has been referred to the Independent Commission of Investigations INDECOM and the Inspectorate Professional Standards Oversight Bureau, known as IPROBE, both of which have launched full investigations into the incident. The JCF also says that after reviewing preliminary information, including CCTV footage, the immediate interdiction of the member involved was ordered. The statement continues, quote, any action by a member that even appears to fall outside the law, established operational standards, or the professional values of the organization will attract decisive institutional response, end quote. At the same time, the JCF stresses that the incident should not be conflated with what it describes as the legitimate and lawful use of force carried out daily by police personnel in the execution of their duties and in defense of life. The JCF says it remains committed to accountability and professionalism while emphasizing that the independent investigation must now proceed without prejudice or interference. We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you the latest updates as more information becomes available. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Richard Brown, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments. And be sure to like, share, and join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.